In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of your header and footer menu in Shopify. Whether you're giving your store a fresh new look or fine-tuning your branding, adjusting font sizes can make a big difference in how your store appears and functions. So, let's dive right into the process of altering those font sizes using Shopify's theme settings. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Online Store on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on this option and it will reveal a few additional choices. From here, choose the Themes section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to modifying how your store looks. Next, you'll see a list of your themes. Locate the theme that is currently active on your site. Adjacent to the theme's name is a button labeled Customize. Click this button to open the theme editor. The theme editor is a powerful tool that allows you to tweak various aspects of your shop's appearance. Once you're inside the theme editor, focus your attention on the sidebar that appears. This panel serves as your control center, guiding you through numerous customization options. Here, you'll want to search for the theme settings. In some cases, this might be represented by a gear icon, so keep an eye out for that as well. Within the theme settings, look for an option related to typography. Depending on the theme you're using, this could also be labeled as fonts or font settings. Clicking here will give you access to several options for adjusting text sizes throughout your site. In this typography section, direct your attention to settings labeled something like heading sizes or base font size. You can use these options to adjust the overall font size for headings, the body of your content, and more. If your theme provides specific options for menu text size or navigation font size, those will be particularly useful. Play around with these settings until you achieve the desired look. It's always a good practice to save your changes frequently, so once you're happy with the new font sizes, hit that Save button. This will ensure that your adjustments are recorded and ready for preview. Now, take a moment to preview your store. This step is crucial to verify that your changes have translated well onto the live site and that the new font sizes enhance your overall design as envisioned. And that's it. These steps will guide you through adjusting the font size of your header and footer menu in Shopify, helping you create a polished and professional online store. Thanks for joining me today, and happy customizing!